So I'm filling up my brows using Caroline Dual Wow Brow. Using the shade Almond. So I'm just filling up my brows. I know you're watching this video because you are curious about this look. I'm just brushing my brows in and outwards and doing my other brow. So tell me what brow product you are using. Is it powder, pencil, or cream? Let me know in the comment section. Brushing up my brows, then I'll be using the Caroline liquid concealer just a little bit on my eyelids. Then I blend it out using my fingers. Then I forgot to put on my contact lens. And now I am using a black eyeshadow, just putting it on my outer corners. Just a tapping motion from outside to inward, then blending it using a blending brush. I just blend it so well. So, ayun nga, sabi nila, blending is the key, sis. Ganun. Now, I'll be taking out a red shade in Caroline palette and just putting it in my inner corners. Yeah. So I'm blending it again using the blending brush earlier. Then I'm just building up the colors again. After blending, putting again an eyeshadow, then blending again and repeat just to make the color pop up. And I am putting black eyeshadow again in my outer corners inwards, just a tapping motion again. So we can see the color is popping out rather. So this is the technique I am using, a tape, because it's really hard for me to make an eyeliner from my eye shape. Yeah, it really helps. No, try nyo din. Baka makatulong. Yeah. It also gives clean makeup look. I'm just filling in the corners and near the lash line. Since I don't have eyeliner pencil, I'll be using this liquid eyeliner to tightline my eyes. Just be careful using this because it stains on your eyes. And sometimes you may accidentally poke your eye, so be careful. And now I'll be using the black eyeshadow earlier. Just extending my eyeliner using the powder, then blend it inwards. Then I'll be putting red shade. Then I'll be using the skin tint from the Zomi. Yeah. Just for a light base. Blend it out. Since I have a wider face, I'll be using this kind of contouring technique. On my highest point, that's where I put the contour, then on sides and on my jawline. So it gives an illusion of a smaller face. Then I'll be contouring my nose just a little bit, the excess product from earlier. Since I said earlier I have wider face shape, I'll be putting my blush right under my eyes and not extending sa labas ng mata ko. Then I'll be contouring my cupid's bow and using an highlighter. Just beneath my eyes and then beside the nose area. And I already did my lips off cam and my lashes off cam, by the way. And yeah, I'm just tapping a black eyeshadow, then setting spray, then I am look at the I'm putting the wig so it matches the look. Then that's it. Thank you for watching. So this is the final look.